So today we'll start with the new topic, that is the linear equations in one variable. We'll see the part 1 of it. So before we start the exercise, now let us see in short what is the linear equation in one variable. So now an equation that can be written in the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is called a linear equation in one variable. Why do we call as the one variable? You know the variables from a to z. These are called the variables. Here we can see this x is a variable. And this a and b, they are the real numbers. So now here, the highest power of the variable is always 1. So here, if we write this one as 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, so you can see this is the variable over here. So x means x is to 1 is going to be x. So this you can see this is always here in the linear equation. It is always going to be the highest power is going to be of this variable is going to be 1. So it has only one variable, like this can be either it can be x, it can be y. So now for example we can say 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So now when you do the exercise, that will be more clear. So now let us start with the exercise. So solve the following equations. Here this is the equation given. So what we will do, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, because this is the bridge you can see is equal to. So here this 4x will be as it is, and this is without a variable. So this will be already on the right. This is already on the right hand side. We'll keep it here. But this one minus 11 will bring it on the right hand side. So that is going to be plus 11. So 4x will be, this is going to be 60. So 4x means this is 4 into x. So x is going to be 60 by 4, which is going to be 15. Now here 3y by 4 minus 1 is equal to 14. So now just concentrate over here. So what we'll do, this part we'll keep as it is first. This is already on the right hand side. Minus 1 will go on the right hand side, so that is going to be plus 1. So again now let us keep this as it is. This is going to be 15. So now we'll take this 3y and this is divided by 4. So this will go on this side, so that will get multiplied. So 15 multiplied by 4. So this is the important step. So y will be 15 multiplied by 4 as it is, and this is multiplication. It goes to the other side, it gets divided. So now let us simplify this one. So which is going to be y is 20. Again for this one, we'll keep this as it is. This is already on the right hand side. Plus 26 is going to be minus 26. So this is the same. This is going to be 24. Again this will take 8x. This is divided by 5. So this will go on the other side. It will get multiplied. 24 multiplied by 5. So x is going to be this the same. This is multiplication. It goes to the other side. It gets divided. So now we'll simplify this one. So this is going to be, x is going to be 15. Again here the same. 3 on the right hand side minus 7 is going to be plus 7. This is the same. So this is going to be 10. So this is the same. This will be 10 multiplied by 2. So a is going to be 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 5, which is going to be, a will be 4. Now this is slightly different. So now this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we'll keep this x on the left side and the constant means that is without a variable on the right hand side. So this is already on the left hand side. If we bring this over here, there is nothing means there is plus. So this is going to be minus 2x. This already on the right hand side, minus 13 is going to be plus 13. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. This will be 21. So this will be, x will be 21. This is multiplication, so it will get divided, which is going to be here divided by 3, which will be 7. So x is 7. Now this again the same. This is already on the left hand side. This goes here. That is going to be minus 13x. This is already on the right hand side. Plus 12 is going to be minus 12. So this will be 4x is 12. So x will be 12 divided by 4, because this is multiplication. So that will be, x is going to be 3. Now in this case, what are we going to do? We can see the brackets over here. So this 7 is for this one as well as this. This 5 is for this as well as this one. So that there is a multiplication sign in between this, which we cannot see there. But there is, whenever there is a bracket, that means here is multiplication. So what are you going to do here? 7x plus 21. And here you will write here 10x minus 15. So now this comes in the same as the previous one, but this step was important. How to multiply it? This, the left hand side, this will go on the left, that is going to be minus 10x minus 15 as it is, plus 21 will be minus 21. So here now you can see minus 10 is a bigger number plus 7, so that is going to be minus 3 because you subtract this one. So minus 3x will be minus 15 minus 21. So what, because here we can see this, we are going to add it. So that is going to be 36, but we are going to keep the minus sign as it is. This is the common mistake. Whenever there is a multiplication, this becomes positive, but when you are going to add this one, so this will be negative, but you are just going to add the numbers. So now you can see both the sides is negative, we can cancel out. So this will be, or you can do, if you are confused with this step, you can also do like this. X will be minus 36 divided by minus 3, and you know, whenever minus divided by minus is going to be always plus. So anyways you can do, or you can do directly cancel out over here. So x will be 36 over 3, which will be x is 12. Now in this case, this as it is, we'll take this on this side because it is with the variable. That will be minus 9y by 4. This as it is plus 11 is going to be minus 11. So now you can see the denominators are different, so we'll make it equal by taking the LCM. So the LCM is 12, so this will be multiplied by 4. This will be multiplied by 3, so which is going to be 28y minus 27y by 12, which is 4. So this is going to be 28 minus 27, that is just going to be 1. So we don't write 1 in, because 1 into y is just y. Y by 12 is 4. So y is going to be, this was divided, so it will go to the other side, so that will get multiplied. So y is 48. Now here 2m, we'll keep the variable on the left hand side. This will go here, that will be minus 4m. This is already on the right hand side, this will go on the other side, that will be plus 2 by 9. So here minus 4 plus 2, that is going to be minus 2m. Now in this case what we can see, again the denominators are different here. So we'll make it equal by taking the LCM. So this is multiplied by 3. This also multiplied by 3. Here is already 9. So minus 2m will be minus 12 plus 2 divided by 9. So minus 2m will be minus 10 plus 2, that is going to be minus 10 by 9. So m will be minus 10 by 9. And now see here, this is actually multiplication. So here it gets divided. So you can put the multiplication here, but this is a division sign. So you can write, or you can put like this. If you're confused with this step, you can put like this here, m is equal to minus 10 by 9. So this will be, this is multiplication, so that will be divided by minus 2. So you will put here minus 10 by 9 multiplied by 1 by minus 2, because you change the sign over here. Both ways is the same, or you can put directly over here. You can do this step as you wish. So m will be here, will be 2 ones are 2 5s are, minus divided by minus is going to be plus. So it will be 5 by 9. So this is the step what you have to remember. So now again for this problem, what you can do here, you are going to expand this one. So this is going to be 24y minus 12. This will be 15 plus 9y. So 24y, this is going to be minus 9y, and this is going to be 15. This is going to be plus 12. So 15y is going to be 27. So y is going to be 27 by 15, because this is multiplication. So here 3 5s are, 3 9s are, which will be 9 by 5. And now you can see this 9 by 5 is an improper one. So whenever there is an improper, usually we make it to mixed fraction. Or in the, if there are MCQs, you can just skip it as it is if there is option of 9 by 5. So this 9 divided by 5, for 5 ones are 5. This will be 4, so that will be one integer 4 by 5.